everyone! Welcome to my first ever ukulele tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song The Wheels on the Bus. So bakit The Wheels on the Bus? Because it's the first song that I learned to play in the ukulele. Okay, so I just want to tell you a backstory of why I was forced to play the ukulele. It started during the circuit breaker. So during the circuit breaker, everybody was working from home and even the children cannot go to school. So we were supposed to do our classes online. So I was supposed to do online Zoom class with my toddler class. So imagine toddlers going for Zoom classes. So I didn't know how to engage them. Parang hindi naman sila nakikinig. So I thought of why not use the ukulele. So since I had a ukulele just sitting down in one corner of my house, so I tried to play it, and then ayun, the children had fun singing since The Wheels on the Bus nga was one of their favorite songs when we were in the classroom. So I learned to play The Wheels on the Bus. And from then on, it was one of our mainstay songs. Every time na magka-class kami, I was playing the ukulele. The children were singing along with me. It only has 2 chords. C and G. So the C chord is on the 3rd fret, 1st string, and the G chord is like this. Your index finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, and then your middle finger on the 2nd fret, 1st string, and then your ring finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. Like this. Okay, now for the strumming pattern, it's down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. So if you're doing the strumming pattern, kung super beginner pa talaga kayo, what I suggest you do is you say it as you strum it. Kasi pag sinasabi mo, mas nagagawa nung kamay mo. Minsan pag yung kamay mo lang yung gumagawa, hindi nagre-register sa brain natin. So, you say it as you do it para mas ma-execute ng maayos. So, let's do it one more time. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. And then you just keep on doing it. You do it a little bit faster after you are used to the strumming pattern already. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, G, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, G, all through the town, C. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 G, swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. All right. Okay, so for the more advanced learner, you can add a chuck to the strumming pattern. Okay, it goes like this. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up. So, what is a chuck? A chuck is yung parang ihihinto mo siya. Parang isi-stop mo siyang with your palm. You stop the string with your palm. So it goes like this. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up, strumming pattern. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up. So it goes like this. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up. The wheels on the bus go round and around, round and around, round and around. The wheels on the bus go round and around, all through the town. Okay, so you just repeat the strumming pattern for the verses that will follow. So that's our tutorial for today. Just keep on practicing your ukulele, and I'll see you again on my next ukulele tutorial. Thank you so much. Bye everyone.